Select the table that represents a proportional relationship between x and y. For a proportional relationship, y is equal to r, which is the rate of change, multiplied by x. Or we could also write this as y over x equals r. And so as long as each of these ordered pairs have the same rate of change, then a proportional relationship exists. So for A, y over x is going to be equal to, we have 10 over 2, which is 5, so that's one of them. And then the next one is 20 over 4, that equals 5. And then the third one is 30 over 6, that also equals 5. And so the rate of change here is 5, so A is true. B, we will follow the same format of y over x is equal to r. And so we'll start with the first one, which is 6 over 5. And then the second one is 7 over 10. Well, 7 over 10 is not equal to 6 over 5. And then the last one we have is going to be 9 over 15. And so these are a no. These are not proportionate. And another way that you can check proportionality is that you can always cross multiply, such as 6 over 5 to 6 over 5 equal 7 over 10. If that's the question, then we can cross multiply 6 times 10. Does that equal 5 times 7? Well, does 60 equal 35? Well, that answer is no. So B is clearly no. For C, our proportional relationships start off with 15 over 5, and that equals 3. And the next one we have is 30 over 6, and that's equivalent to or equal to 5. And then the last one is 45 over 8, and those are not equal to each other. So these are no. This is YoYoGistics showing you one way to solve this problem. You may have another way. As long as it makes sense to you, makes sense to others, and it's correct, then you have a great way to solving a problem.